Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix PrizePicks deposit. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If you're having trouble depositing your funds on PrizePicks, here are some common solutions. Number 1 is check payment method. Ensure the card or bank account is valid. Verify that your credit card or debit card is linked, bank account has sufficient funds and isn't expired. Use a supported card. Some prepaid cards and gift cards may not be accepted. PrizePicks typically supports major credit cards, debit cards, and ACH transfers. Number 2 is verify personal information. Ensure accurate account details, name, address, etc. must match those of your payment method. Account verification. PrizePicks may require identity verification for deposits or account activity. Ensure you have submitted all required documents. Number 3 is resolve declined transactions. Bank restrictions. Some bank block transactions with gaming or fantasy support platforms. Contact your bank to ensure they allow transaction to PrizePicks. Try another payment method. If one payment method fails, try an alternative like another card or linking your bank account via AirPay. Number 4 is check technical issues. Clear your browser or app cache. Temporary files may cause issues. Try clearing your cache or using another device. Update the app. Ensure you have the latest version of the PrizePicks app installed. And number 5 is contact support. Reach out to PrizePicks if you are still unable to deposit. Contact PrizePicks support via their app or website. They can investigate the issues directly. AirPay issues. If you are using AirPay, you may also need to contact AirPay support team, that is support@airpay.com. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.